Hey, it's Jerry again with KMJ. Today we're going to do some nerd clusters. And we'll get down to some of them out there in the trays. We're not going to do too many because seem to make too much candy and then it goes to waste. We'll just spread these out a little bit, break them apart. I haven't done these on the version 6 software. That's why I'm doing some right now, just so we can see how the Harvest Right settings work. I am going to put parchment paper on top just in case. I'll fold this one back a little so we can see what's going on there. Put that one right in the middle. So I'll bring you over. We'll get this started on the Nerd Gummy Clusters. So we found that on the app. We got the Nerd Gummies. I got some instructions there. We're on the version 6. There's the settings. We're gonna start with recommended settings. I think there we go. That switched over. Okay, so we're coming up on the 70 degrees. So we are going to load the trays now. It's really cold in there, so I don't think these are going to puff up like they should, because we ran a previous batch and it's pretty cold in there. So we're going to shut that. I'm going to get you guys moved down so we can see. Okay, we got you down there so you can see. I'm going to hit the go button here, or the continue button. Okay, so the freeze dryer is done. The Nerd Clusters are ready to be taken out. We are going to put this on no defrost. I'll let that air in the valve over on the pump side. I'll get you guys moved back so you can see what the final product's like. My dog's carrying on in the living room. There's the top tray. Like snap, crackle, pop. So they were done at the recommended settings. There's a lot of snap, crackle, and pop going on there. Can you hear that? I don't think I've ever heard them make that kind of noise before. Now let's give one a try. Hey there. Fluffy and dry. You want to try one? Gotta give one to Petey. Pete, the taste tester. Excuse me. So that is our Nerd Clusters with the version 6 software. No changes in the settings. That's what it says is what we used. They turned out great. Every tray is fairly even. So, good batch, I guess. If you like the videos, like, subscribe, hit the notification. You know, any of that helps us. We're a newer channel, so we can use all the help we can get. And we will see you on the next one. Thank you.